Welcome back to Cut the Mustard, the channel that explores the history, ingredients, and quippy facts about your favorite condiments. Today, we're talking about a tangy and crunchy delight that's the perfect topping for any sandwich, brat, or as a probiotic side dish. That's right, we're talking about sauerkraut, or kraut for short. From its 11th century origins to its status as a must-have condiment, sauerkraut has been winning hearts and healing stomachs for centuries. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. The best place to start is at the beginning. Did you know that this delicious condiment was first made over 2,000 years ago in ancient China? When Genghis Khan invaded China, he allegedly took the recipe for fermented cabbage and modified it using salt instead of wine. When the Mongolian tribes arrived in Europe, not long thereafter, they brought sauerkraut with them, and the dish became popular in Eastern Europe and Germany. In fact, the word sauerkraut itself means sour cabbage in German. Speaking of Germans, they get all the credit for bringing sauerkraut to America. In the 18th century, German immigrants brought sauerkraut to the US and made it a staple in their cuisine. During World War I, sauerkraut even got a bad rap when people started calling it Liberty cabbage to avoid using a German-sounding name. But luckily, the deliciousness of sauerkraut prevailed. Nowadays, there are so many brands of sauerkraut at the store, which we'll touch on in a future episode, but making it at home can be a fun, delicious DIY project. All you need is cabbage, salt, and time. Fermenting cabbage is a simple process, but it can take a few weeks to get that tangy flavor just right. Did you know that sauerkraut was once used as a cure for scurvy? That's right, the high vitamin C content of sauerkraut helped sailors prevent scurvy on long voyages. And in some cultures, sauerkraut is even considered a good luck charm. Germans eat sauerkraut on New Year's Eve for good luck. And have you jumped on the foodie craze of adding sauerkraut to your top ramen? That sauerkraut probably costs more than a pack of ramen. And that's it for us here on Cut the Mustard. We hope you enjoyed learning about this beloved condiment's history, ingredients, and fun facts. Until we meet again, stay sauerkraut-tastic, my friends.